Please note that although we made every effort to capture the item as accurately as possible, we cannot guarantee every computer monitor will depict the actual color. Please contact us should have any questions about the color, size, or if you just felt like reaching out. Long WEAR Durability DipWell nails lasts 3 to 6 weeks without chipping. They add length, protection, shine without ruining the natural nail bed. This kit may be used up to 30 sets of nails. Healthier than traditional acrylic. No UV LED lamp required for this better alternative to traditional acrylic systems. This is formulated without harsh chemicals, features strong adhesion to prevent lifting, chipping, discoloring. It feels and looks natural, is lightweight, and has impeccable shine. Fortified with calcium and tough against daily wear and tear compared to traditional nail lacquer, gel polish, and traditional acrylic systems. Easy soak-off DipWell nails can be removed in just 15 minutes. Specially formulated for quick removal, DipWell nails can switched out to your heart's content. Adds length, protection, shine. No UV LED lamp required. Made in USA. We never test on animals. Vegan friendly. Professional approved. Products are packaged in clear plastic jars and clear glass bottles with white caps and easy-to-handle brushes. Top reviews from the United States. Opaque, fresh, sparkly white. I love this color. I tried so many sparkly whites and they all failed me. I wanted something that has a thick white base and white sparkle, not gray like most. And this was it. I brought this to my nail salon and am very happy with the result. My nail tech said this was good quality.